very good place where you can fix your laptops. It's called the Hongqing Electronic near Psa Depot 2, Psa Depot P. It's the best place in Phnom Penh to fix any laptop, and the guy is very honest, very good guy. No hard disk and no yeah, okay. My hard disk and RAM, I know. No hard disk and no RAM. Many shops, this guy is honest, you know. Many shops that they take your spare parts, and if you don't check it, then the spare parts will be gone, you know. That's why you always have to check when getting your laptop back. So yeah, you need to be careful in Cambodia when you go to fix your laptop. They might keep your laptop for a few days, but when you get it back, make sure that everything is back as it was, because for me, you see, I got my RAM stolen, you know, and the hard disk as well. So most of the problems that arise with laptops is that the water goes inside and it stops working. That's why my friend said that Apple is the best brand to buy, not another brand, you know. So I guess I should buy Apple, like a MacBook, rather than using Dell or another brand. So yeah, make sure that everything is inside, because they can scam you.